Hey!
Let's do the cookie dance. Big cookie.
Oh, that thing's actually fat. What the hell?
When you do it.
Clickbait. There isn't even water there. Touch the glass. Dude, that's my hat.
I'm the captain now.
I'm the captain now.
Tyler's got the food on deck.
Muffin. Cherry white chocolate muffin.
Cherry white chocolate
What an
muffin.
interesting flavor.
Okay, first bite.
Dude, I am not excited to eat this.
Morning. How's that, Tyler?
This sucks. So bad.
Boys about to board the plane. We out here.
Dude, we're inside. We're not out here.
Oh, we're in here. Thank you. Good correction, Isaac. We in here about to board the plane. Isaac, what time is it?
Why are we getting a plane wash?
Buddy! Uber? Yes, sir.
You can get mad bitches. Every girl just comes up to him. Wait, we don't have an In-N-Out here.
Everyone likes the hat. They like the hat. I'm glad I'm rocking it.
I hate it.
Well, you're a hater.
Cameron's a certified hater. Dude, Charlotte's Web, no. This mall's got a train. That's crazy. Damn, I didn't realize Kodak Black had merch. What's in the box?
What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
A lot of people like looking at the In-N-Out hat. It's like they've never seen it before. It's just a little too drippy for them. I don't think they can handle it.
That's the dope hat you got.
Yo, who's leaving that shit out here?
Who even uses rubbers?
Oh, hey.
Oh, is this Cameron Holman?
Yeah, this is MTV. Welcome to my crib.
Oh, nice. Let's check it out.
We want to head down here. I'll show you guys around.
Oh, I like this. Nice open room.
And this is where we store the Rebel French.
Oh, nice. Thank you for showing me around, man. Thanks for your time. Yeah. Have a good rest of your day, man. Cutting it close. I am the captain now.
I'm the captain now.
Max, show the vlog what you got.
So this here is planter head me.
Oh, that's nice,
It's
dude.
me. Just don't look at the bottom. A little violent.
A little slippery, guy.
Push my car out of here.
That's the warmest it's gonna be while we're here. High of -17. Dude, that's height.
That's not bad. I'm all considering.
Fuck you! Yo, chill, bro. Chill. I don't want that smoke. Chill. It's just chill.
You guys better fucking watch out. Fuck you up.
Dude, have you ever seen a mug or a bird try to mug you?
Not with a hat on.
And then I come to work and I do this.
Get over here. Yo, what's Optimus doing in here?
Get a hot dog.
Oh, you got a hot dog? Yeah, sure. Coming right out. 1 second. Here you go.
Dallas is up.
Hey, get pranked.
Hey!
That's deadly.
That is deadly. Oh, chill. Just got to the crib. Got a nice seashell here. Look. The master of house, Cody. Cody actually owns this house. Cody, how much did you buy this house for? Easy flip?
So in 1969,
You bought the whole building?
for like $21.50.
That's a good deal.
I had to give the guy half a pack of my Skittles.
Oh.
This is my favorite part of the house. It's a 25 kill streak.
Oh, is that a Moab from Modern Warfare 3?
A little bit too much money on it, probably. We won't get into that.
That's dope. I want to get this thing to work. Got the grandfather clock. The ball. Mustang.
That is a Corvette.
Day 2. We out here in West Edmonton Mall. Still can't find no shorts. Cody, how much were the shorts we were just looking at?
Fucking like $80.
The boys are just trying to cop some cheap shorts and go to the water park, and can't find them. They're all hella expensive. Cody, they got a Louis Vuitton Lego tree.
No way.
Thomas fucking Shelby
in the house, you know. We need to get in there.
This is just one of the things they have in this mall. They have a water park, roller coaster rides. Dude, there's a shooting range. You can shoot pistols here. They got everything here. It's ridiculous. This mall is huge. Cody, isn't it crazy that this isn't a mall?
This is kind of crazy, yeah. When you mention that part, yeah.
This isn't even just a water park. It's in a mall. This mall is literally huge. They got everything.
It actually like fucked up. Like being an island boy. Island boy!
They got a slide up there where you have to go into like a cryo chamber looking thing, and it opens up to drop you down. The person before us tried to go at least 3 times. Didn't work. We waited for like 5 minutes. Shit was busted, man.
Pretty wild, man. We're in a water park and there's alcohol. Something tells me that that's a bad combination, but you know what? I don't give a fuck.
They're making too much money. They don't care. How you boys rate the loop-de-loop roller coaster?
The cum shot, 2 out of 10. Speed was good, low drop, but it fucked up the first time I went down because it was like 3, 2, 1. Didn't draw me. But again, we run it back. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Give it the Jeff Whittick 10 out of 10.
I was terrified from out 0 to 10.
0 out of 10.
7.
It was closed the first time, but it worked that time, so, you know, I'm hyped. You drop up there, loop-de-loop, come out. Dude, what is this kid doing? Someone should just tackle him.
Why? There's like a little 7-year-old kid. What the fuck?
Bruh, where's that supposed to go to? We just left the mall, the water park, came outside, and it's snowing right now. I don't even know if you can see that shit, but
Weird. Why would it be snowing?
it's only negative like 10 right now. It's like -2 and I'm in a t-shirt. Fuck a hoodie. Mario, woohoo! Dude, I'm stuck. There's too many pipes. Ah. What's up with all that green piping? Are they filming the Mario movie here?
I think that's weird.
We out here making grilled cheeses. TJ had some food, didn't have butter. So this is literally grilled cheeses, just bread and cheese. Peep this shit. Peep, that's all you need. But honestly, that's all you need. Odds are I'm gonna burn every single side of these.
People just weren't as good, like overall.
Oh, TJ, you gotta burn one.
I gotta burn one?
Dude, that's not good.